In the coastal kingdoms of the Swahili coast, Kilwa Kisiwani rose as a beacon of trade, culture, and coral architecture. Scholars reveal how Indian Ocean mariners exchanged gold, ivory, and porcelain, weaving a cosmopolitan web that transcended borders. The palaces and mosques built from lime mortar and coral blocks endured, whispering tales of seaborne diplomacy and city planning. Archaeologists shine light on the Great Mosque of Kilwa and the Great Stone House, monuments of engineering and urban vision. This forgotten seaport teaches that ancient cities thrived not by conquest, but by seaborne collaboration and cultural exchange.